हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. All of you listen. All of you listen my voice. Hello. 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 Not listening my voice. Network issue. Network issue. Hello. Are you listening? करूँ एक्सप्लेन? आवाज आ रही है आपकी? Reply please. So, explain you FC means foundation course. In that, what we learn? What we learn in foundation course? क्या पढ़ते हैं हम? Basic knowledge, right? About the human rights and related to environmental concerns. Okay, so your unit first is human right, provision, violation, and redressal. What is human right? Human right means you know human right. Tell me any one human right. अभी आ रही है कि नहीं आवाज मेरी? क्या आवाज? एक्चुअली नेटवर्क इशू है. अभी एक्चुअली उनको तो बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज लोगों को नहीं आ रही है. आई डोंट नो. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am. We have
Network issue है. Okay, so unit first is a human right. Okay, human rights provision, violation, and redressal. So, what is human right? What are the human rights? Tell me one right.
liberty.
Yes, liberty, equality, freedom. These are the human rights. So, human right means the right relating to life, liberty, equality, and dignity of the individual. Okay, is the human right. So, human right provision. Provision means provides a legal advisor, like means legal advising about the human right. Violation is a anyone knows what is violation? Woman violation. There are different types of violation, like equality, economic, social violation. Woman violation, like a dowry. Dowry is a violation, right? And redressal. So in that unit 1, human right provision, violation, redressal, we have to learn in detail scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, women, children. Okay, in scheduled caste means lowest caste. Okay, जो lowest caste के होते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Scheduled. In scheduled caste, we have to learn in detail the constitution and legal rights. Constitution means कभी पढ़े constitution and legal rights? Anyone knows what is constitution? Okay, constitution
The laws are written.
actually वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है, मुझे समझ में आ रहा है. मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन तो तुमको समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, constitution is a set of rules that guides how a country or a state or other political organization work. Means is a set of that guide करता है countries को, state or other political organization. Also, constitution may tell what the branches of governments are. Government is कौन से है, then what power they have and how they work is the constitution. And why it is necessary? Constitution is necessary. It's necessary because it determines the relationship of the citizen with the government. Means citizens का governments के साथ में कैसा relation है? That's why it is necessary. It determines the relation of the citizen with the government. Okay, that's why constitution is necessary. Then forms of violations. There are different forms of violations on women's or children, like child labor. Okay, and redressal mechanism. Redressal mechanism, we can also say the remedy or a compensation for a wrong is the redressal mechanism. Okay, now next point is scheduled tribes. Scheduled tribes pupils are one who are previously untouchable. It's called scheduled tribes. हमारे लैंग्वेज में उसको आदिवासी बोलते हैं, शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स को. ओके, next point is women, constitutional and legal rights, forms of violation, redressal mechanism. Means in that हम लोग शेड्यूल कास्ट में ही सेम पॉइंट्स पढ़ने वाले. ओके, जैसे शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स में हमने क्या देखे, वही कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड लीगल राइट्स, फॉर्म्स ऑफ वायलेशन, रिड्रेसल मैकेनिज्म, एज इट इज सेम हियर इन पॉइंट वुमन. We have to learn in detail, same as it is the scheduled tribes and scheduled caste. Okay, then in children, same है, constitutional and legal rights, forms of violation, redressal mechanism. Next is a E point, that is pupil with disabilities. Disabilities means loss of sensation, pupil loss of sensation. Okay, and minorities. The minorities pupil, the religion of group with less population is called as a minorities. Minority pupil, religion or a group of religion with the less population is called as minority, and elderly population. In that we will learn constitutional and legal rights, forms of violation and redressal mechanism. सेम है, सब में वही पढ़ना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड द यूनिट फर्स्ट.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
ma'am.
now next unit, that is dealing with environmental concern. Environmental concern, what are the environmental concern? Environmental concern means environmental problems like global warming, acid rain, air pollution, waste disposal, ozone layer depletion. Okay, these are the environmental concerns. Uh, Action required to minimize or prevent and monitor adverse effects of the environment, or correct action taken to clean up, handle, and remove contaminated water or soil. In that, we have to learn the A point is concept of disaster and general effects of disaster and human life. What is disaster? Disaster means what is disaster? Anyone knows? All of you listen now. Hello. So
Natural accident, sudden accident.
yes, sudden accident is called as disaster. It causes great damage to the life and material. So there are two types of disaster. What are they? Type of disaster, there are two types. Yes,
Natural and man-made.
okay, natural and man-made. Natural like earthquake hai, volcanic eruption, floods, right? These are the natural disaster. And man-made like an uh, groundwater contamination or nuclear blast. These are the man-made disaster. Okay, so concept of disaster and general effects of disaster. What are the general effects of disaster in human life? In that, we have to learn physical, physiological, economical, and social effects of disaster. We will learn in this point. Next point is some locally relevant cast studies of environmental disaster. इसमें हम you can also write the tragedy of Murud Beach. Okay, मीन्स एक ट्रेजेडी लिखनी है कोई भी, तो हम लोग मुरूद बीच की लिखेंगे इसके अंदर. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
थर्ड पॉइंट, dealing with disaster. Dealing with disaster, in that we have to learn factors to be considered in prevention. What factor uh, we take, or how to prevent from the disaster? There are three types प्रिवेंशन यहाँ पे 3 टाइप्स है प्रिवेंशन के, वी हैव टू लर्न. देन मिटिगेशन and relief and rehabilitation and disaster preparedness. Okay. Dealing with disaster factor to be considered in prevention. Mitigation. Mitigation is sustained action to reduce or eliminate risk to people or and property from disaster. Okay, is a sustained action to reduce risk to people and property from disaster. Then what is goal of mitigation? To create economically secure communities and to create social stable communities. These are the goals of mitigation. We have to learn. And rehabilitation and disaster preparedness. Disaster preparedness means disaster preparedness means readiness to respond to a disaster. Means if we know when the disaster is going to come, so we will already be prepared, right? So it's means disaster preparedness. It includes. So disaster preparedness is defined as the state of readiness to respond to a disaster. Preparedness include designing the warning system, storing food and water, building temporary shelter. Okay. Next point is human right issue in addressing disaster. In that, we have to learn issue related compensation. Compensation means disaster management. Government provides certain monetary means money, like material may food, medicines, and socially means resettlement compensation to those who lost due to disaster. Okay, this is the compensation. So issue related to compensation, equitable is also means of compensation, and fair distribution of relief and humanitarian approach to resettlement and rehabilitation. इक्विटेबल के अंदर हम लोग देखेंगे society should not be treated partially on the basis of religion, gender, caste, culture, and social state. It will be against social right. This is the equitable. Okay. So here unit second is complete. All of you listen now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here two units are completed. I'm explain you two units, and third and fourth unit I will explain in next lecture, that is science and technology, soft skill for effective interpersonal communication. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Hello.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.